In a world that's lost its way, searching for the dawn, one voice cuts through the noise, a vision being born. Ash Mufareh leads us on, a dream both brave and bright, to lift the broken-hearted and turn the darkness light.
Through every storm we've weathered, His purpose stayed the course, a compass for the faithful, igniting hidden force. We've seen the doubters whisper, but still His fire burns.
Oh, we believe in Ash. We follow where He leads us, answering the call. His dream is ours to carry for one for all, to heal, to build, to rise above, fueled by faith and boundless love.
We believe in Ash.
Together we'll change the world.
We believe in Ash.
Oh, yeah.
He sees beyond the mountains, where others see a wall, a future built on justice, where no one stands too small.
With hands outstretched in service, He shows us how to give. Ash's dream is humanity's hope.
We believe in Ash,
Following His vision,
for all humanity.
His light guides us on.
No doubt, no fear,
Just faith,
together we rise.
changing tomorrow today.
We believe in Ash. We believe in Ash.
Oh,
We believe in Ash. We believe in Ash.
yeah.
Victory with Ash.
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 Victory with Ash. In a world that's lost its way, searching for the dawn, one voice cuts through the noise, a vision being born. Ash Mufareh leads us on, a dream both brave and bright, to lift the broken-hearted and turn the darkness light.
Through every storm we've weathered, His purpose stayed the course, a compass for the faithful, igniting hidden force. We've seen the doubters whisper, but still